The Pilates Spine Stretch Forward provides a framework for exploring body maintenance and a beautiful movement. View the clip to see what I mean. Okay, we're done well. Let's come up to seated, and this is actually, just imagine you're a lion lumbering along, right? Something like that. And you've got a little bit of side neck, 1, 2, 3, like the chest, neck, here, okay. But you walk your hands forward, and you reach your toe if you can. And a yoga expression for this would be stretching at the back or something like that. The back of the legs, the back of the buttocks, the back of the head, the back of the neck, they're all stretching. This back of the body stretching. And so we take a hand and walk it back, walk back, walk back. Just come up to. So this is like a variation on spine stretch forward. So you get your hand lift, you get a little side neck, 1, 2, 3. And reach for your toes. Let's see how we're doing. Pretty good. Okay. This is pretty much a straight knee version. What happens we just change it a little bit. Here we go. Tall, walking forward, 1, 2, 3, side neck, 1, 2, 3, just rolling forward. So you reach for your toes, or maybe it's your ankles, and just let the knees come up a little. Now let the elbows bend and go down a little. And this, because the joints are not locked out, we've got a slight bend in the joints. Everything can reorganize. So let's enjoy this. This is where we can make the maximum stretch happen. And do you know this is beginning to look like the yoga version of a spine stretch forward? The back ribs lift, the back of the neck lifts a little. So, and we're lengthening. We have our posterior mnemonic. We want to be lengthening, relaxed, aware. LRA, lengthening, relaxed, and aware. And the elbows bending and sinking down, and the knees just working away. The back ribs lift 1 millimeter. Back of the neck lifts 2 millimeters. Your head's between your knees. Nelly. And walk the hands back. This teaching moment is from the mat class Optimism and the Art of Body Maintenance. To find out more about it, look in the notes below. This is just one teaching moment of many. Look in the notes below for a link to more.